Hey everyone, welcome back to my video, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you one of my new favorite face masks that I use for my skincare. So the brand that I'm sharing with you today is cruelty-free, vegan, and uses natural ingredients, and they are called Hey Bud. So I love the packaging. It's just a little square packaging like this. So inside the product they have avocado, hemp, goji, and kaolin. I really love kaolin. I've used kaolin a lot in the past, and it's like this natural clay that really helps to draw out the impurities in your skin. So I'm already seeing lots of really good ingredients in this, and it's also cruelty free and vegan. So that's really great because I don't like any cruelty or any kind of products that are tested on animals. So that's like a really great plus in my book. So this is an Australian brand and it's a hemp clay mask. So if I open it, it's got this little protective layer on top, which is good because this helps to stop bacteria and any kind of germs from getting in there as well. So it helps to keep your product fresh for longer, and then you don't have to keep buying it over and over again because it gets stale. So it's good to have that kind of like protective layer on the top. So this is how it looks. It's very, very thick, very, very dense, and it's exactly the type of product you want to be using on your skin. And it comes with the Hey Bud brush, so you can evenly apply this to your skin, and I'm going to show you in the video how I do that. But it just takes you around 10 to 15 minutes to create this self-care practice, this beauty practice. So let me show you how it works and my whole type of beauty care routine using this product.